Today's video is sponsored by No One. Add a Fusion Cross Dissolve between your clips, adjust the size to 15 frames, and open it in the Fusion page. Double-click to the Transition node, select the Dissolve, go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to Easing, and set the In and Out to Expo. Bring a Merge node after the Cross Dissolve. Change the Apply mode to Linear Dodge. Right-click to the Blend slider, and select to modify it with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to Easing, set the In and Out to Expo, and check the mirror box. Add a Fast Noise node in empty space, and drag it to the left viewer. Increase the contrast and the brightness sliders. Set the Scale slider to 0.5, and the Seed rate to 3. Go to the Color tab, increase the Alpha slider for the first color, and choose the colors for your transition. Connect the Fast Noise node to the green point of the Merge node. You can keep it like this if you want, but you can add another layer to your transition. Bring a Displace node between the Cross Dissolve and the Merge node. Right-click to the Refraction Strength, and select to modify it with Anim Curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, set the Scale value to 0.5. Change the curve to Easing, set the In and Out to Expo, and check the mirror box. Back to the Tools tab, go to the Settings page, and uncheck one of the color channels. Connect the Fast Noise to the green point of the Dissolve. With this step you are adding the extra color displace that I like. If you want to flex your skills to the ladies, grab one of my packs so I can finally marry Monica Bellucci.